YouTube is more than just a platform. It's a space where people from around the world can share their creativity and earn a real income doing what they love. Whether you're looking to turn your passion into a job or just curious where to start, you're in the right place. Let's break it down step by step so you know exactly how to begin your YouTube journey. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe so you never miss valuable tips and updates. Big YouTube channels make real money, and they do it doing what they enjoy. So how can you join them? The first step is simple: create your own channel. If you already have a Google account, you're halfway there. YouTube gives you the freedom to make content about almost anything. Whether you want to vlog, animate, sing, or teach, there's space for you. Choose a name that's simple and easy to remember. If people can't recall your channel name, they won't find you again. Avoid overly complex or random usernames. Instead, think of something catchy and brandable. Already stuck with a hard-to-remember name? No problem, you can update it through your Google settings. To help new viewers find you, add relevant keywords in your channel settings. These should reflect the topics you plan to cover. Once your channel is set up, it's time to start uploading videos. And yes, this is where the real fun begins. Finding your niche and personal style is key. Make content that feels true to you, your voice matters. Keep your videos tight and engaging. Try not to drag things out too long, especially in the beginning. Viewers should feel curious from the first second to the last. The goal is to keep them watching and wanting more. And remember, nobody starts out perfect. Your first videos won't be flawless, and that's completely normal. Just look at early uploads from today's big creators. Everyone improves with time, gear, and experience. Try upgrading your setup gradually. A better camera, microphone, or editing software can go a long way. But what matters most is consistency. If you only post once a month, your audience might forget about you. Aim for at least one video a week to stay on their radar. That way, viewers begin to expect, and look forward to, your uploads. Use tags and keywords with every video to make sure people can actually find them. Once you have a few videos up, you can start earning money. Head to your channel settings and enable monetization. YouTube will then place ads in your content, opening the door to income. But that's just the beginning. To make money, you need a loyal audience who actually watches your videos. So promote them on social media and stay active with your viewers. Respond to comments, ask questions, build community. People stay when they feel connected. To enable monetization, there's one more requirement. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of total watch time. Once you reach that milestone, you can even monetize your older videos. Just turn on the dollar icon in your video manager. Don't forget to connect your channel to Google AdSense. That's how YouTube knows where to send your money. If you're under 18, ask a parent to help with this setup. You'll need a valid address or PayPal account to receive payments. As your channel grows, it's important to check your analytics regularly. These numbers tell you what's working and what isn't. Watch time, viewer retention, demographics, it's all there. It's like a GPS for growing your channel. Sometimes, a video might go viral, and that opens another opportunity. You can license your viral videos for media use and earn from those deals. News outlets or content creators may want to pay to reuse your footage. And yes, that money goes to you. Once you're getting consistent views and earnings, there's one more milestone: becoming a YouTube partner. For that, you need 15,000 watch hours within the last 90 days. When you qualify, apply through the Partner Program dashboard. You'll unlock special tools, creator support, and even rewards. Many YouTubers also launch their own merchandise. Selling shirts, stickers, or mugs can boost your income and brand visibility. It's exciting for fans and profitable for you. And best of all, it helps turn your audience into a community. There are many freelance sites that can help with merch, like Fiverr or Printful. You don't need to do it all alone. You can also try affiliate marketing. That means recommending products and earning a small cut for each sale. Big companies like Amazon and eBay offer affiliate programs. You just place links in your descriptions, and if someone buys, you earn. Just be sure it fits your content. Lifestyle and review channels often do well with this model. Sponsorships are another option. Brands may pay you directly to feature their products. This works best once you've built an engaged and trustworthy following. And it can pay well, depending on your audience size. In short, success on YouTube comes from dedication, creativity, and consistency. It won't happen overnight, but with effort, it can happen. So if you're ready to take the leap, now is the time. Start sharing your ideas, and build the career you've always dreamed of.